Welcome back to the channel. Microsoft Teams has introduced a useful feature that gives you more control over your meeting view. Now, when someone shares their screen or presentation, you can adjust how much space the shared content participant videos take up on your screen. Here, how it works. Join Microsoft Teams meeting. Once content is being shared, you will see the shared content in the main area and participant videos alongside it. Locate the divider. Look between the shared content and the video gallery. You will notice a divider separating these two sections. Click and drag the divider up and down, or left or right. Drag it toward the video gallery to make the shared content larger, or drag it toward the shared content to make participant videos larger. Teams will instantly adjust the layout as you move the divider. Choose the best view. You can customize the view based on your needs. Make shared content larger when reviewing presentation documents or spreadsheets. Make participant videos larger when you want to focus more on meeting attendees and discussion. These new features help you focus on what's most important during a meeting, improve visibility of shared content, create a more comfortable and personalized meeting experience. That's it. With this new Microsoft Teams features, you can easily control the size of shared content and participant videos during the meeting. Try it in your next Teams meeting and customize your view the way you like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Microsoft Teams tips and updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.